Bienvenue chez Examist, votre partenaire de confiance pour réussir vos certifications. Nous proposons des supports d'études complets, en ligne et hors ligne. Et nous sommes là pour vous guider pas à chaque étape. Des guides PDF détaillés aux exercices pratiques bien structurés. Toutes les questions essentielles sont soigneusement couvertes pour vous donner toutes les chances de réussir. Vous aurez toujours les bonnes ressources à portée de main. Téléchargez les PDFs. Faites des tests et connectez-vous à notre équipe d'assistance experte. Avec la pratique interactive en ligne. Entraînez-vous et quand vous voulez. À votre rythme. Nos PDFs prêts pour l'examen sont soigneusement élaborés et régulièrement mis à jour. Des milliers d'apprenants certifiés font confiance à notre qualité et à notre sérieux. Des professionnels qualifiés sont disponibles pour répondre à vos questions. Commencez dès aujourd'hui et donnez à votre préparation l'avantage décisif avec Examist. Visitez Examist. Comme dès maintenant. Examist. Votre parcours vers le succès commence ici.
Question 1. Which of the following is an automated telephony system that interacts with callers, gathers information, and routes calls to the appropriate recipients? Option A. DTMF. Option B. CRM. Option C. IVR. Option D. Telephony. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, IVR. Question 2. Which of the following selects the interaction path and enhances the caller's experience before agent? Assignment. Option A. Prompts. Option B. Flow. Option C. DTMF. Option D. IVR. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, flow. Question 3. Which type of call flow is used to create the call route that routes the incoming call to the respective ACD queue based on the customer's response? Option A. In-queue call flow. Option B. Inbound call flow. Option C. Outbound call flow. Option D. Secure call flow. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, inbound call flow. Question 4. Select the container that holds an audio message and or text-to-speech pairings on a per language basis. Option A. Flow. Option B. IVR. Option C. Prompts. Option D. DTMF. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, prompts. Question 5. You are trying to create a new flow. Which option lists the correct sequence of steps? 1. Log on to architect. 2. Click plus add to create a new flow. 3. In the settings section, modify the settings and options as needed. 4. Select the type of flow. 5. Add the required tasks to the flow. 6. Add the required menu S to the flow. 7. Publish the flow. 8. Validate the flow. Option A. 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5, 8, 7. Option B. 1, 4, 2, 3, 6, 5, 7, 8. Option C. 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5, 8, 7. Option D. 1, 4, 2, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. 1, 4, 2, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7. Question 6. Select all the possible measurements for the selection timeout of every menu. Choose 2. Option A. Hours. Option B. Minutes. Option C. Seconds. Option D. Milliseconds. Option E. Microseconds. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C seconds, option D milliseconds. Question 7. What is the maximum value that can be set for the minimum confidence level in speech recognition? Option A, 25%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 100%. Option D, no limit. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, 100%. Question 8. What is the minimum value for the number of times to repeat a menu? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 5. Option D, O. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, 0. Question 9. What is the correct term for the setting that determines how long a caller can pause between entering digits in a IVR? Option A, timeout. Option B, interdigit timeout. Option C, no entry timeout. Option D, menu selection timeout. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, interdigit timeout. Question 10. When you delete a flow, it removes only the current version of the flow. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, false. Question 11. Which speech recognition feature is enabled by default for new inbound call flows? Option A, enable speech recognition for the entire flow. Option B, company directory speech recognition. Option C, complete match timeout. Option D, incomplete match timeout. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, enable speech recognition for the entire flow. Question 12. If the system exceeds the maximum number of actions run per flow invocation, the flow enters error handling. Which action is used for default error handling in this state if alternative actions are not configured? Option A, decision. Option B, transfer to flow. Option C, disconnect. Option D, jump to menu. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, disconnect. Question 13. Select all the sections available to configure the global settings for a newly created flow. Choose 5. Option A, actions. Option B, data. Option C, event handling. Option D, menus. Option E, prompts. Option F, dependencies. Option G, supported languages. Option H, speech recognition. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, actions. Option C, event handling. Option D, menus. Option G, supported languages. Option H, speech recognition. Question 14. The interaction may not route properly if the default language skill is not selected. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, true. Question 15. Which of the following are valid options under the data category for inbound call flows? Choose 4. Option A, call data action. Option B, callback. Option C, set flow outcome. Option D, collect input. Option E, data table lookup. Option F, get participant data. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, call data action. Option D, collect input. Option E, data table lookup. Option F, get participant data. Question 16. Which variable's value indicates whether the flow is running in debug mode? Option A. Flow is test. Option B. Flow is debug. Option C. Flow version. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Flow is test. Question 17. Which function returns a new instance of datetime initialized with the specified values? Option A. Make datetime. Option B. Make duration. Option C. Add duration. Option D. To datetime. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Make datetime. Question 18. Select the correct format for a literal string expression for the following sentence. He said, I will schedule the meeting for the specific time zone with AM, PM settings. Option A. He said, I will schedule the meeting for the specific time zone with AM, PM settings. Option B. He said, I will schedule the meeting for the specific time zone with AM, PM settings. Option C. He said, I will schedule the meeting for the specific time zone with AM, PM settings. Option D. He said, I will schedule the meeting for the specific time zone with AM, PM settings. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. He said, I will schedule the meeting for the specific time zone with AM, PM settings. Question 19. The find skill function is not case sensitive when performing a search. Option A. True. Option B. False. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. True. Question 20. What is the maximum prompt file size you can upload? Option A. 10 megabytes. Option B. 20 megabytes. Option C. 25 megabytes. Option D. 50 megabytes. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. 25 megabytes. Question 21. Changes in system prompts will take effect within a couple of minutes, whereas changes to user prompts may take up to an hour to take effect. Option A. True. Option B. False. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. False. Question 22. Select the correct naming convention for a bulk import prompt if the admin wants to create a user prompt named welcome that adds the audio within a WAV file under the English United States NUS language. Option A. Prompt user welcome NUS. Option B. Prompt user welcome NUS. Option C. Prompt user welcome NUS. Option D. Prompt user welcome NUS. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Prompt user welcome NUS. Question 23. When you perform the bulk import, the CSV file is selected and each includes a WAV file in the directory location. Option A. True. Option B. False. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. False. Question 24. Select the correct expression to create a date time with the year 2020 for the 3rd of May at 12:00 am. Option A. Make date time 2020 5:03. Option B. Make date time 2020 3:05. Option C. Make date time 5:03. 2020. Option D. Make date time 3:05. 2020. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Make date time 2020, 5, 3. Question 25. Select all the naming requirements for prompts. Choose 2. Option A. A prompt name can begin with a letter. Option B. A prompt name can begin with a numeric or special character. Option C. A prompt name can contain letters, underscore, and numbers. Option D. A prompt name can contain spaces or special characters. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. A prompt name can begin with a letter. Option C. A prompt name can contain letters, underscore, and numbers. Question 26. You are the administrator of a contact center and assigned to advertise an upcoming product to your customers. Choose all the correct options for this scenario. Choose 2. Option A. Use an outbound campaign to promote the product. Option B. Use the directory feature for advertising the product. Option C. Use the prompt feature to play the product details every time customer dials your contact center. Option D. Use the data tables feature for advertising the product. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Use an outbound campaign to promote the product. Option C. Use the prompt feature to play the product details every time customer dials your contact center. Question 27. To route an incoming call based on the current time is the best method. Option A. Inbound call flow. Option B. Scheduling. Option C. Call route. Option D. Callable time sets. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Scheduling. Question 28. Arrange the listed schedule groups based on call flow priority. 1. Closed 2. Emergency 3. Open 4. Holiday. Option A. 2, 3, 4, 1. Option B. 2, 4, 1, 3. Option C. 2, 3, 1, 4. Option D. 2, 1, 4, 3. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. 2, 4, 1, 3. Question 29. When creating a schedule, which of these frequency types are available for the repeating event feature? Choose 4. Option A. Daily. Option B. Weekly. Option C. Quarterly. Option D. Monthly. Option E. Hourly. Option F. Yearly. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Daily. Option B. Weekly. Option D. Monthly. Option F. Yearly. Question 30. If you do not add an emergency flow, Genesis Cloud assumes the open flow to be the default emergency flow. Option A. True. Option B. False. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. True. Question 31. Architect supplies a built-in flow. Option A. Secure call. Option B. Inbound call. Option C. In-queue call. Option D. Outbound call. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. In-queue call. Question 32. Select all the required parameters for configuring the Salesforce data actions. Choose 3. Option A. Username. Option B. Access ID. Option C. Password. Option D. AN number. Option E. Token. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Username. Option C. Password. Option E. Token. Question 33. Which of the following feature is used to test the created flow before it goes live? Option A. Validate. Option B. Publish. Option C. Test. Option D. Debug. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, debug. Question 34. Which function is used as part of the decision to route to a different location based on the domain of the sender's email address? Option A. Make email address. Option B. Email address local part. Option C. Email address domain part. Option D. Email address domain. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, email address domain part. Question 35. Which of the below features get disabled automatically when the payment card industry data security standard PCI DSS setting gets enabled? Choose 2. Option A. Media capture. Option B. IVR capture. Option C. Pose capture. Option D. Protocol capture. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, media capture. Option B, IVR capture. Question 36. You are creating an in-queue call flow and need to inform customers about the approximate time to connect to the agent. Select the correct action. Option A. Hold music. Option B. Play wait time. Option C. Play estimated wait time. Option D. Approximate wait time. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Play estimated wait time. Question 37. Which of the following components can be configured to read and write data from a CRM? Option A. Set UUI data. Option B. Get participant data. Option C. Call data action. Option D. Set participant data. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, call data action. Question 38. You want to create a call flow to get the customer's unique identification number. Select the correct action to accomplish the task. Option A. Data table lookup. Option B. Collect input. Option C. Collect data. Option D. Call data action. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, collect input. Question 39. How many ways are there to initiate a secure call flow? Option A. 2. Option B. 3. Option C. 4. Option D. 5. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, 2. Question 40. To create, configure, and publish call flow, an admin must have at least one contact list and one wrap-up code configured. Option A. Secure. Option B. Inbound. Option C. In queue. Option D. Outbound. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, outbound.